Ceacht tracha ceathair, 34. We have had adjectives before, and now we're getting each adjective has a basic form, and then it has a comparative superlative form for more of something or most of something. So some of them are regular and some of them are irregular, and you have to memorize them. So ma is irregular. So isfar is the best. Tashe gama, tashe nis far. Notice the footnote at the bottom of page 52. Very important. In the ta sentence, nis is more of something. And then it takes the comparative form of the adjective. You can use this in a copula sentence also. Is far misha na Sean. I'm better than Sean. But the more common thing is actually the thing in the footnote, probably. So anyway, that's irregular. Then you get jas, pretty or nice, and that's sort of regular. It slenderizes and has another vowel at the end. Is desha or nis desha, depending on how you use it. Is she Sheila on Colleen is desha? She is the nicest, the prettiest. So that's how you use is desha as a unit for the most pretty. Nis desha is more pretty, or just desha is more pretty. Ulk is irregular, is massa or nis massa for worse or the worst. More is mo, irregular. Bjug is lu, irregular. Ard is erge, that's normal. Shan is shinne, that's pretty normal. Og is oiga, that's also pretty normal. So you got to memorize them and then use them in sentences. So they give you a whole bunch of examples, and then they give you questions, of course. Ke aka, which we can shorten to kyaka. Kyaka is oiga, who is younger? Tusa no darahar, you are your brother. Ke he, put an H before the pronoun with K. Ke he an scolare is far sarang, who is the best scholar in the class or student? Shine an scolare is far, that is the best student. Okay, practice these are important, and then we get a whole set of other ones on the next page, and all of these are pretty regular. Dear or dear means not free or expensive. Is dear, slenderizes the end and gets another vowel at the end. Ser or seer, which is the opposite of der. There's a lot of those ds opposites. Ser is cheap or free. Is sira, cheaper, cheapest. Lahen is lehnje. Well, that one's sort of regular, but that vowel and consonant at the end flip places. So lahen becomes is lenje, is lehnje. Larger is larger. The same thing happens with the R and the E at the end of that. Alling is oye. That's irregular. Fada is fidje. It's a normal one. Gyar is gura. Gotta watch the spelling on that one. Schnakta is just a noun. Ryerk, sight, or a view also. Mil is honey. Ghoul is coal. They just throw some nouns in there. And then you get to use a different way of comparing things. Ko as le something else. So ta she ko bon le schnakta. He's as white as snow. And then they give you some more examples of that. Ko also puts an H before a vowel. Ko hard yamsa, as tall as I am. So lots to practice in this chapter. You've learned a lot by this time. Hopefully you're studying it all.